guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because when I became a YouTuber, I don't normally say that I'm a YouTuber because I feel like I haven't quite made it yet because my channel's not officially monetized, even though I'm literally like this close. And I know within the next few videos, I'm probably gonna get there, which is so exciting. But basically, I feel like one of the things that's so exciting about starting a channel is the possibility of PR and sort of gifted items. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing for the first time ever a handbag that was so kindly gifted to me from the brand Mlouye. So I wanted to just start off by thanking them so much. I'm so excited. I cannot believe that I'm in this position. Even without my channel being monetized, I still feel like I've seen so many blessings come from this because I've been gifted pearl jewelry and I've been gifted activewear and clothing. If anybody needs a little bit of encouragement to keep going on YouTube, this is it. But let's get right into the unboxing. I'm so excited to see it. I'm gonna hold it this way so that you can't see my address, but this couldn't be a more genuine unboxing. It literally just came to my door like an hour ago. I had to resist the urge to open it right away because I wanted to share it with you guys. But the brand is Mlouye, genuine leather handbags, really funky, very architectural, but very sleek as well, which I absolutely love. So I'm dying to see this one in person and show you what it is because I haven't seen it yet myself. Let's unbox it together. Okay, now that we're open, let's see. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. Okay, hold on one sec. Look how beautiful this packaging is. This color is so stunning. Great first impression, very well wrapped. Crossbody strap, you guys can obviously see the color of it now. Okay, I tried not to rip the paper, but I had to at least a little bit. A beautiful dust bag, customized with their label on it. Okay, I haven't seen it yet. I haven't even peeked. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, this is so stunning. And it's so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be, which I love so much. This reminds me, oh, it's so beautiful. I can't believe that they sent this to me. This is just so cool. So this reminds me so much of the Loewe Puzzle bag, but I'm so glad that one, I never purchased that bag because I didn't love it enough. This is something that I love so much more than that one. The construction of this one is just a little bit more funky, a little bit more different. So obviously it has this top handle. It also has these beautiful substantial clasps on each side for the crossbody strap. Typically I'm more of a top handle girl, so I'll probably just wear it like this. It's genuine leather. On this little tag, it's just giving some leather care instructions saying they use basically like the best quality products and then give some recommendations. For a deep clean, take your bag to a trusted leather goods repair shop. Perfect. I love it so much. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about it. I'm gonna give you a full bag tour, don't worry, just give me 2 seconds. So I had actually seen this bag quite a few times on Instagram. It would come up and I always loved it. Like I loved how different it was. I love the different tones of leather and how it looks so like funky and well thought through and just very different because I feel like a lot of bags nowadays are just very much the same, but something like this, it's the same on both sides. I just love how this bag is so different. Of course, I was gonna go for something super neutral because I felt like in my wardrobe, it would just end up working out the best. But the craftsmanship of this, the leather quality, the inside suede on the bag, everything about it is very high quality. And like I said, with the packaging and just the presentation of it, you can tell that the brand put a lot of time and effort into wanting to make a luxury first impression. So this would technically be more considered like a contemporary luxury handbag. So I've actually done a video on my channel before. I think it was like the 10 best handbags under $1,500. So this would definitely fall into that category. And I'll get into price a little bit more later on, but I just want to say a huge thank you to Mlouye for sending this to me. It's so beautiful. Let me give you a full bag tour. crossbody strap, and as I mentioned, I'm typically a top handle girl, so I probably won't be wearing it too much like this. Having said that, I love that the strap is adjustable. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spots that it can be adjusted, and the same on the other side, which is great. You can just wear so many different ways and incorporate it into different outfits depending on the jacket that you're wearing, depending on if it's really puffy and if there's a lot of volume to it. You can sort of extend it so that it sits properly. I feel like where it is right now, I would probably adjust it up a little bit just because I prefer it maybe here instead of this far down, but either way, it's super comfortable. The strap is a good width. I think that it could be a little bit bigger, but I like that it's sleek so that all of the focus is on the bag. The fine details to Mlouye, like having the name, I'm not sure if you can see it there, written right on that little plaque, and the fact that it's a hexagon instead of just like a circle, make it just a little bit different and sort of adds to the character that is this very like architectural lined bag. Okay, something so cool that I just found out about. I was looking at their website and they have lifetime guarantees. I don't know if you understand just how like different that is. It's such a differentiating factor because I feel like handbags never come with guarantees. There have been so many times where we've heard about different quality issues when it comes to certain luxury brands, and it's kind of amazing that they can get away with that because especially when spending a certain amount of money from a brand that you think is going to be really reputable and really reliable, something like Mlouye comes along and steals the show with a lifetime guarantee. That is so cool. So looking at where you can find it, I'm just checking their website for stores and stockists, and there are none in North America. However, of course, you can shop their Instagram or shop their website, but the closest ones to me are actually in Switzerland, Milan, Paris, France, and the Ukraine. So a little bit far, so I definitely suggest shopping their website if you're interested, and I'll give you a little bit more information about this exact one. So now that I'm looking through, I'm realizing how many more bags from them I need to get because they just have such cool and such different things that in the age that we're living in where everybody's sort of dying to look the same as everybody else and follow all these trends, something like this is really gonna stand out not only on the street, but just like in the identity of what your aesthetic is when it comes to wardrobe. So I love this, I'm totally gonna be using it, but looking at this mini lantern tote, mini lantern bag pleated in the latte color and in off-white, I'm kind of obsessed with the off-white. That might have to be a next purchase. For the record, this video is not sponsored. I just am so happy that I got this bag from them. Already I can see, one, I was interested before they reached out to me. Their customer service was also incredible. So that's a big part of a purchase for me, and going through it and seeing how they deal with their customers is I was really happy to be able to get that experience before even getting the bag. Long story short, it was supposed to be coming to me a little while ago, and it ended up that the one that they had left in this exact colorway was actually meant for a customer. So mine ended up shipping out at the end of January, but with DHL got here super, super quickly. It came from Europe, so that's another plus to know that their shipping is incredible. It was express shipping, so it came here super, super quickly. So mine is called the Sera Tote, S-E-R-A Tote, in the colorway Sprinkles Latte, which I think is so cute because I'm all about a good cup of coffee and a good handbag, so it's just the perfect combination. Anyway, looking at their website, there are so many different options to choose from, and if you like the more structured and architectural look, this is definitely a brand that I think that you should check out. The founder and creative director was very inspired by Bauhaus, and you can definitely see a lot of like Art Deco in a lot of the styles that they have, and it's absolutely beautiful. So my exact one, the retail price of it is actually $800. It's $799. But in terms of value, I just want to point out how, yes, this might sound expensive for a handbag, and granted, everything is relative. When I look at some of the money that I've spent on handbags in the past, it's just a passion of mine, and it's something that I really enjoy. I love the process of, from the customer experience to unboxing to actually using it to just admiring it on my shelf. Mind you, I use my handbags, but $800 for this sort of quality is an exceptional price. So there are a lot of different contemporary handbags that you can find in that sort of price range. I feel like this is very comparable to Pollen and to Furla with the amount of craftsmanship that's involved in it, the fact that there's a lifetime guarantee, and the quality of the leather. I can genuinely say that this is so worth that price point. So if you need a new bag and you're looking for something different and funky and very statement, definitely check out Mlouye. I'm gonna have them linked below. I'll also list a few of my absolute favorites from their website and some links, so be sure to check those out. I will keep you posted as to wear and tear as I use it. I have the tendency of leaving the bags for like a week or two and then wearing them consecutively and consistently for like either a few weeks or a couple months at a time. So I'll definitely end up doing that with this one, I'm sure of that. But anyway, there's my new handbag unboxing. Let me know if you like it. Definitely check out Mlouye and see what other goodies they have to offer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll have another handbag unboxing for you right after this one. So if not in my next video, I'll see you there. Bye guys.